Exhaust leaks can be extremely dangerous and should be taken very seriously. An exhaust leak can potentially cause exhaust fumes to enter the passenger compartment of your car. This runs the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning for your car's passengers. It can also cause poor performance and gas mileage and release harmful toxins into the environment. Your car should be checked regularly for exhaust leaks. Any leaks detected should be repaired immediately. You'll help save the environment, save money on gas, and increase your car's performance. Best of all, though, you'll ensure the safety of everyone on board.